welcome back everybody. Welcome if you are new. So I've got a little unboxing for you guys today. I've got a Katie Barnes unboxing. I'm going to show you this first. This is a light that I've had for quite a long time. There's not really a lot of space in between the table and the light, so it does knock now and again. This is the one with the LED lights inside of it. Then it has these little stands where you stand it up to make it taller. It has different settings on it as well. I've actually unplugged it so I can plug the new one in. This one has lasted me. I got this from Temu, I think. It's lasted me a while. I've had it for a few years now, so it was time to get rid of this and get a new one. We have this box. As you can see, it's massive, so I'm going to pull you back a little bit so you can see the whole thing. This is what I'm so excited about. Let me get the box out. I'll show you what's inside. This is how it comes, and I haven't even told you what it is. It's a light, but this is one that attaches to the side of your desk, so hopefully this isn't going to get in my way. I'm going to be able to move it around and have it situated wherever I want it. This is the box that it comes in. As you can see, it is a desk light by Katie Barnes. What's this say? Confidence in one hand, perfect light in the other. Honestly, this has had so many reviews on it. I got mine in white, as you can see here. It's a 200 to 240 volt and it has 24 watts. Like I said, I've got mine in white because my desk is white. A lot of my stuff on my desk is white or pink. The other colour you could get was black. So this is what you get in the packaging. KB LED flexible desk light. As you can see, this is what it looks like, but it extends above your head and gives really good light. This is instructions. It tells you how many wattage, it tells you how to use the buttons on the top, and just shows you that you can also buy one that is a desk light. It actually sits on the light. This is the one that I bought, the clamping one. On the back is just warranty and the correct use. So you do get a plug and a cord, which just looks like this. I've got a UK plug. And then the best part is the lamp. Why can't I get this out right now? Here we go. This is a really sturdy lamp as well, and it had so many views on TikTok, and I've seen people opening it on YouTube. It looks beautiful. You can already feel the difference in the quality. This is so heavy compared to that little moonlight that I had. This is what it looks like. It is so nice. These are the lights on top. You can actually take these out and extend them, and also this one extends, or you can extend them all the way out. I think they extend all the way down as well, if I'm right. They extend down as well. We've got some buttons on the front here. They're going to work when I plug it in. I'm going to attach this to my table and then I'll show you guys how it's looking. This is how we're going to attach it. It has this bit here that sticks underneath, and then you move this around. Basically, this is going to slide into the side of my table, and then you just tighten it up with this little bit here. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I'll be straight back. So I'm back. I've got it all set up. It's taken me a while, not because of setting it up, because I must be so stupid. I didn't know where to plug the cord in. I just went back on the instructions, guys. Honestly, read instructions, because I did not know where to plug this in, but I found out in the end. I'm having to hold my phone now because this little phone holder at the minute is not holding. When I try and turn it that way, my phone is just falling back down. Thank God I've ordered a new one. This is the light. This is how we're looking. This is the problem I had. So this is where it plugs in. Now, I just thought that was a screw holder. I didn't realise it was actually where it plugs in. So you just plug it in here. Plug that in. Wait, it's not going in. Yes, it is. It's quite tight to go in. This is where it's screwed onto the table. You can see here. This is where I've screwed it on. I didn't think I was going to be able to screw it on there. You can see my wheelchair there in the background. I didn't think I would be able to screw it on, because can you see there's a massive gap? This could go on a lot further, and this is quite thin, but it still worked. We got it to work, so I'm happy about that. Back to the light. This extends, it goes up, it extends this way, Let me move this thing out of the way. The thing is, it's got a light on it, so I sort of need it to show you until I can turn this light on. Right, so I've got that out of the way. Here are the buttons. These are the extended bits. It's really tight, but then that just tells me it's not going to break, but they are tight. Let's extend these out a bit. So we're going to switch it on. This is how you switch it on. This middle part on here. Guys, look how bright. That is so bright, and that's just that light. Then this button here is switching on these lights. So they're on. Let me just try and lift it up a little bit. It's so tight, but I think it's because it's new. If you heard a little noise there, that was actually, I've got a little automatic sprayer there. I think it's because it's so new. This is what it's looking like. How nice is that? And then you can put these down. You can change the mode. So cool light, I think. Brighter. This one, oh my gosh, it makes it go even brighter. I thought that was bright. That's even brighter, and I love this. It brightens up everywhere. It's not just in one place. Everywhere on this table is lit up. So honestly, I'm in love with this. It is so good. I actually got mine on a flash sale. If you want this, TikTok Shop was doing a flash sale. Don't know if it's still on because it was a couple of weeks ago now. I got it quite cheap, which I was really happy about. That's why I got it in the first place. Really nice warm lighting. I did my nails, by the way, for Valentine's Day. I'm not sure if I like them, so I might change them. I'm going to change that lighting again. How nice that light makes my nails look. Like, honestly, I've got no cuticle oil on them or anything at the minute, but my nails are looking so bright under this light. I cannot wait to use this. If you want to get your hands on this, like I said, there is another one that they do. This is the extended arm one that clips on the side of the desk, but they also do one that sits on the desk. But I like this one because it's not in the way. I've only got a small desk, so not in the way. It's over here still. I can move this. It's out of my way. I can tilt all this. It's not in my way either. And look how much room there is from the table. There's the light. And I don't even need to bring it down because this is completely lit up. The whole table is lit up. I can't get over this. I'm really happy with this. So happy. Honestly, the quality is amazing. I love the way these extend out as well because it makes this part of the table even brighter. This is how it's looking. That's my other light. Hopefully tomorrow it's going to come from Amazon, and I'm going to have a white one. But do you see how it just doesn't go with anything else on my desk? So I just want a white one there now. Plus this has broken today. It's not holding my phone at all, so I'm having to hold the phone. Let's turn those lights on as well. It looks so nice. I'm not going to need any more little light. With my other light, I was having to use this one as well just to get a bit more brightness. I don't need that now, guys. This is completely lit up my whole area. You can see exactly what you're doing. You can move these around. Guys, if you want a Katie Barnes light, I will leave all the descriptions down below. So go and click on that website. I know she does a Katie Barnes £10 Tuesday. I've actually bought another little box. Shall I show you guys now? Let me show you now because this light is so good. I just want to use it right now. The other thing that I got from Katie Barnes was a few little bits. I've actually bought loads of stuff from her before. I have got her drill bits and they are so good. So I picked up a few more bits. I picked up these Katie Barnes two-way mini buffers. They are 220 to 280 grit. I've started doing press-ons. These are going to be quite good to get just the shine off of the press-ons itself. You get a packet like this. I think there's a packet of, it doesn't say on there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You get a pack of 10. They look like this. Let me just get one out to show you. I wanted to use this for the longest time, but I wanted to wait to do this video for you guys. Let's get one out. So they look like this. They're quite thick and they feel good quality as well. A lot of my buffers I've got in the past, they have not been very good quality. They don't last long. You have to throw them away. They're not great. I only use these for press-ons and probably my own nails. I don't actually do now. I used to back in the day, but I don't now. This is what they look like. So they say Katie Barnes, confidence in one hand, good looks in the other. I love a little quote. Said it's a 220 to 280 grit. I'm really happy with these, and you get 10 in a pack, and I don't think they cost very much. I think there was only about £8. What else have we got in here? Like I said, I didn't get much from there because I got this at the same time as the lights. I didn't want to spend too much money. Oh, so these are the disposable sticky art palettes. So when you're doing your art, when you want to do a little design, I normally just find a little bit of plastic and then just mix up my gels or whatever I'm mixing up. But I saw these on someone's TikTok, I think it was, and they was using this, and I thought there was such a good idea. You get 100, it says here, and it's these little, oh, they do actually sit in this. So it's just these little, I don't even know what to call them, little plastic sheets, and this has a sticky bit at the top, so you just tear one off. You can stick it on your table and then just do your painting. If you're doing a French or designing on the nail, you stick it on your table here. I'll stick it on this pink sheet. And then if I need to put any paint on it, they're so easy to wipe away, or you could just throw them away because there's 100 there to use, and I'm sure I'm not going to use 100 any times. I also picked up this, which is a drill bit. This is the Tiny Cuticle Lift E-File, and I've got the bit in fine. This is the bit that goes around the cuticles. I also have another one which is to lift the cuticle out of the way, and that is brilliant. It's so good. But again, I bought this on a £10 Tuesday, so it only cost me £10, and then it cost me a little bit for postage and packaging, but this is so cheap compared to how much you can actually pay for these. I got mine in a fine bit. I'll show you what it looks like. On a focus, it's so tiny, that's why it's not focused. There you go, you can see it now. It's just this little tiny bit on the end here, but it gets really good underneath those cuticles, and it's really gentle on the nails. So that's everything that I managed to pick up from Katie Barnes this time. Honestly, I know I'm going to be going back on there. It's so inexpensive and I love her product. That's everything I picked up this time. I put the leaflet here so you can see that I picked up the light also. I will leave all her website and everything in the description down below. Go ahead and click on that. Also, if you haven't subscribed, honestly, I would love you to come and join this little journey with me. My channel's going to be all about doing nails, doing press-ons, swatches, things like that. So if you are interested in anything like that, then please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bar as well. That will notify you whenever I put a video up. But for now, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.